Frustration boils over in Pakistan-occupied Jammu Kashmir as public anger reaches a tipping point over the electricity crisis and decades of government neglect. Fueled by frustration over the government's abject failure to address key issues, residents have warned that their patience is running out. Protesters are taking to the streets, accusing Islamabad of a systematic exploitation and turning the region into a neglected backwater. The electricity crisis has become a symbol of decades-long neglect, and the people are demanding immediate action. The streets of Pakistan-occupied Jammu Kashmir are resonating with chants of defiance as residents protest against what they describe as Islamabad's blatant disregard for their lives and livelihoods. The electricity crisis has emerged as the flashpoint for these demonstrations. Power outages lasting up to 18 hours a day have plunged households into darkness, disrupted businesses, and left hospitals struggling to operate critical equipment. To make matters worse, while Islamabad has reduced electricity tariffs slightly, it has compounded the problem by cutting voltage levels and increasing the duration of load shedding.
आप जो कॉल दिए जम्मू कश्मीर ज्वाइंट अवामी एक्शन कमेटी ने, और अगर इस कॉल से पहले लोगों के ये मामलात, मेरी मुराद जम्मू कश्मीर ज्वाइंट अवामी एक्शन कमेटी का जो चार्टर ऑफ डिमांड है, जो तहरीरी शक्ल में हमने हुकूमत को दे दिया हुआ है, अगर वो कंप्लीट ना हुआ तो अवाम बाहर निकलेगी, और इस दफ़ा जो अवाम है वो एक एतमाद से बाहर निकलेगी.
Residents accuse Pakistan of systematically exploiting POJK's natural resources while giving nothing back. Despite being home to massive hydroelectric potential, the region suffers from severe energy shortages because Islamabad diverts power to other provinces, leaving POJK to fend for itself. Decades of neglect have left the region's infrastructure crumbling. Islamabad has failed to invest in upgrading the power grid, ensuring reliable supply, or supporting local development. The promises made by successive governments remain empty rhetoric, fueling the growing discontent.
बिजली सस्ती तो ज़रूर कर दी, लेकिन अब हुआ क्या कि आपकी बिजली की वोल्टेज कम कर दी गई है, फिर आपकी लोड शेडिंग बढ़ा दी गई है. तो ऐसे इलाके भी हमारे हैं जहाँ पे लोड शेडिंग का दौरानिया बहुत ज़्यादा कर दिया.
Adding to the injustice, POJK residents are forced to pay exorbitant electricity tariffs despite receiving poor quality service. Islamabad's policies appear designed to squeeze every bit of revenue from the region without addressing the most basic needs of its people. The region's immense natural beauty and strategic importance mean little to Islamabad, which views POJK as nothing more than a resource bank. The electricity crisis is just one facet of the larger neglect faced by the region. Economic hardships, lack of public services, and political marginalization have created a volatile situation. Protesters are now demanding accountability and warning of intensified agitation if their demands are not met. The government's response so far has been limited to vague promises of improvement that fail to materialize. This refusal to act has only deepened the mistrust of Islamabad, which many in POJK see as an occupying force rather than a governing authority.